hit the back window, break the glass, and the glass gets shattered and hit me in the eye. They run to boom, we did it. Hey guys, welcome to my Amos' Day Off. We're traveling up to some mountain, and we're just going to let you ride with us. So watch out for sticks and turkeys, and we've already seen some. Whoa, stick!
Oh my God, Dad!
See the stick? This road is not clear. Call the cops. They said this road was clear. All the debris was cleaned up. It's not true. They tried to kill us. We almost got attacked by wild turkeys earlier on this road. Right after the guard said everything was clear.
You're probably asking why you clicked on this video.
If you're asking why you're clicking this video, it's because there's a lot of things going on here today. We've acknowledged that water is pretty, and then my son acknowledged that we are mostly water. So that makes me think water is really pretty because my wife is really hot.
Dad, stop!
Oh, it's a stick!
Oh my
But it's
God,
not in
Dad.
the road. We're okay. I thought we were going to hit it, but we're good. Man, this road is dangerous today, I'm telling you. In between Gatlinburg and Cherokee. Whew. When you was a kid, when I was a kid, we used to blow the horns to the toes. Oh yeah, tunnel's over. Oh, y'all need help.
We need help.
I think I could be a race car driver. More sticks.
Dad, just
Hey,
stop.
that could hurt us.
No, we can't.
It's a stick in the road. You could like fly up, hit the back window, break the glass, and the glass gets shattered and hit me in the eye. If we run off the mountain, we hit a tree, and boom, we die. Hey, there's water on the road. Whoa, hazardous conditions. Yeah, you're right. That's dangerous. They should make this road wider. There's a Pepsi bottle beside the road. I think there's a bear drinking a Pepsi. You think he bought it from a convenience store? Or did he steal it from a camper like Yogi Bear? Hey, boo-boo, you got any Pepsi? That doesn't really sound good. Picnic baskets are better. Hey, boo-boo, you got a picnic basket? Whoa! More debris. Dude, they did not clean this road off like they promised. We can stop and get one of these turkeys and roast it.
I would like to try that.
I don't see anybody. Just catch the turkey.
Dad, watch rice. That is exactly what the road said.
Is that what it said?
Yeah.
I don't see no ice. It's 45 degrees outside. Can there really be ice? I don't know. I'm from the south. This is not the beach. Look, I got a turkey chin. Gobble, gobble.
Oh my God.
It's a congested area. Do you see anybody? Really? I also sing. You can you can call and book me at your next pool party. I'll sing for you. I'm really good. Not really. But I do like to sing.
I'm a great singer.
Amos is a good singer. Listen. So you can't hear, but you can hear me. Look at that waterfall. That's cool. The trees like drinking. But last night you wanted food. That's why you went for free food, Amos. You should have went for Jesus. Not for the free food. Hanging out with teenagers. What about the presents, Jesus? You need to drive. Look at the tree.
Ah, crap, you're driving too fast. Reverse.
Might do it. Well, if you're here for the whole ride, I believe this is a 1 hour trip to go 33 miles. We got to go all the way up the mountain and down the other side of the Cherokee.
Like 5-part video.
We're on a scavenger hunt. We really can't tell you what we're searching for because you would think we're really weird, but it's going to be cool. So how can you shrink this to a 15-minute video? Because this is just so cool. We're at mile 12 of 33.
Let go of the wheel.
I'm not letting go of the wheel. It's not legal. Oh. My windswipers are farting. You hear?
What?
It's like they're farting. The windswipers, they have gas. I think we're at the top of the mountain.
All right, this is video 1. We'll see you you on video too down the mountain.
As soon as we get to the top. How you going? We're not there yet. We gotta make it to the top.
It's gonna end as soon as we get to the top. Come on. As soon as we get to the top. Johnny, come on. Come on.
Oh Lord, we're not there yet.
No.
There's snow.
No way.
Yes, there is.
Yes, there is. Pull over. Pull over. Pull over. Pull over. Pull over. That is dirty snow.
That is some. Can you?
Open the
I don't know
door.
if you people can see, but look at the really ugly snow. Right by the really pretty waterfall. Okay, here we go. We're going to the top.
All right, come
We're
on.
almost to the top.
Come on.
More snow! More snow!
Pull over.
Dang, it's cold out there. It's got to be cold. I guess there's snow.
See, I was trying to record your face while you were saying, but I accidentally recorded your ear.
My what?
Your ear.
My ear. Is my ear good?
All right.
All right, I think we got to be almost to the top because we can't see no more. The fog is pretty dense. It's just like we're driving in the smoke. But it doesn't stink. Well, I like the way smoke smells. I guess that's growing up in the fire department. I like smoke. It smells good. Okay, we're still going up. We thought we were to the top, people, but I guess we weren't.
That means you get to witness more of us.
Hey! What else can you want in your life? Your
Sounds
life
like a win-win to me.
so great.
You gotta watch us being useful on lives while you waste your lives watching.
Yeah,
I'm not-
we're having fun driving up a mountain, going to Cherokee. Just the boys. Well, we left David home. Just the men. Oh God, that's a sharp turn. That made my abdomen shift. Okay, guys, we're gonna pull over here at Newfound Gap Overlook. This is the top of the mountain, and I can prove
We're
it.
at the top. Yes, honk the horn. Honk the horn. Yes, Dad, we're at the top.
Oh, look,
We got it.
We
Come
are
on.
Tennessee, North Carolina.
Come
state
on.
line, elevation 5,046 feet, like we hiked it. We drove it.
Yeah.